So you can see behind me the Tower of London, my favorite place in London, and famous as a palace and a fortress, and also a prison. And to some extent, all of us are somewhat imprisoned by certain beliefs that we have, old programming that we have that stops us from being as free as possible to live the best life possible. And let's see if we can't get ourselves a little more free with a little more tapping. So you can find out more about tapping if you don't already know about it in the information box down below. Otherwise, just tap where I tap, repeat back what I say, and please take full responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I'm somewhat imprisoned, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm somewhat imprisoned, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I'm somewhat imprisoned, I have a certain lack of freedom to go every place I want to go, to do everything I might want to do, to be who I really want to be. And even though I'm somewhat imprisoned, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else involved, because I choose to be that free. I'm somewhat imprisoned. I have a certain lack of freedom. Even if I'm not aware of it. Even if I deny it. I'm grateful for the freedom that I do have. But I'm open to the possibility that there may be more that's possible for me. And I'm stopping myself. It may feel like other people are stopping me. Whether they're doing so right now, or I feel imprisoned by things they taught me. I'm imprisoned by their limitations that they placed on me. I choose to break free. I'm aware of the stress that I feel when I try to break free from this prison. When I try to expand my comfort zone. When I try to go places I haven't been. When I try to do things I haven't done. Or even think about things I'd like to do. I may feel that stress right now as I consider some things I might like to do. And I'm tapping through that stress. I choose to clear those limitations. It's time for a jailbreak. Letting go of these limitations about where I can go, what I can do, who I can be. Part of me might say, okay, just slow down there. Let's not lose our head. And I'm processing this fear. All this fear of the danger of breaking free from these limitations. Setting myself free from this prison. The beliefs of what I can do and what I can't do. All these fears about who I might become. And even if part of me says, who I'd become is awesome, it means change. And part of what imprisons me is my fear of change. And I'm tapping through that. Clearing this fear of change. I can handle it. I choose to grant myself a pardon and set myself free from this prison. Allowing myself the freedom to go where I want to go. Do what I want to do. Have what I want to have. And be who I choose to be. I choose to clear any fear. That if I had that kind of freedom, I'll do bad things. I'll harm people. That's why I was imprisoned in the first place. Fear of the dangers of being free. Either my fears or someone else's. But as I truly allow myself to be free, I let go of what isn't love. And I become a much better version of myself. So I choose to be open to the possibility that as I set myself free, I become a much better version of myself. And I'm going to do really good things. And live a more awesome life. And experience more joy and peace. And I'm worthy and deserving of that. So I'm setting myself free. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And allow yourself to see how that feels. Hopefully you have some ideas about what else you might like to do and the great things you can do and achieve and the difference you can make. And when there's other stuff that might get in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.